Yeah. So let us come to here. The next one is called as, the next example of atmospheric refraction is advanced sunrise and delayed sunset. So as we know that advanced sunrise is also called as dawn and dusk. Please all of you remember. Dawn and dusk is also known as advanced sunrise and delayed sunset. Is it okay, guys? Dawn and dusk also is called as advanced sunrise and delayed sunset. Now you can see. So what is the reason behind it? Now, as we know that sometimes the refraction of the light rays tends to bring into the view that the objects which are actually below the horizon, because of bending of light, because of atmospheric refraction, even though they are present below the horizon, we can able to see them. That is what. Understand? If there is no atmosphere, we people cannot see the objects which are present below the horizon. So what do you mean by horizon here means? Imagine if suppose I am standing here. Basically this horizon means we used to consider ocean. What is the horizon, Ra? Ocean is our horizons. Understand? Because you can see always the sun will rises in between the hills only. Have you noticed it, guys? Sun rises in between the hills and as well as are above the side, above the ocean. Is it yes, guys? Respond me. Above the ocean only the sun will rises. Is it yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. That is why our ocean surface is our what? Is our what? Horizon. What is that? Horizon. Understand, Ra? Now, because of atmospheric refraction, even though few times the objects which are present below in the horizon, but still we can able to see above horizon early itself. That is what? Because of atmospheric refraction. Now, how it is happening, why it is happening, that is all we will discuss now. So observe very carefully. In the case of sun, just before sunrise and just after sunset, we can see the sun about 2 minutes before actual sunrise and 2 minutes after the actual sunset. So we can able to see that totally how many minutes more sun? 2 minutes. What? Before sunrise. Sunrise and 2 minutes after sunset. Totally because of atmospheric refraction. We are able to see the sun. How many times? 4 minutes extra. What is that? 4 minutes more. So this is what we should call as advanced sunrise and delayed sunset. So what is the principle behind this advanced sunrise and delayed sunset? Anybody? What is that? That is called as atmospheric refraction. What is that? Atmospheric refraction. Now, sir, how it is happening? Let us discuss. Now, you can see the actual sunrise takes place when the sun is just above the horizon. So, suppose I am standing here. I am the person standing here. Only I can able to see the objects which are present above the horizon. Is it yes or no, guys? Or on the horizon? Will you accept it or not? Because we have always straight line vision. Is it yes or no? Respond me. Nobody is responding. So that is, but here what is happening means the sun even 2 minutes, understand means little bit below the horizon also, but the light rays will reach us to our eye because of bending of light. Because of what? Because of bending of light. Do you understand, guys? So, due to the refraction of sunlight caused by atmosphere, who is causing? Atmosphere. Understand? We can see the rising sun about how many minutes early? Varsini? How many minutes early? Yalni? 2 minutes early. 2 minutes before it's actual. Understanding actually above the horizon. So how it is happening, let us discuss now. So when the sun is slightly below the horizon, this is what the actual position of the sun now. Just you can see actual position of the sun just below the horizon. Where it is there? Just below the horizon. This is before sunset or after sunset also. After sunset also, it is in this just below the horizon, little bit. Now you can see here when the sun is slightly below the horizon, then the sunlight coming from the less denser air to more denser air is refracted always downwards and it passes through the atmosphere. Is it yes or no, guys? Bending. Is it yes? Because of
Yes, sir.
optically denser medium. So actually, let me imagine. Here you can see it is in a straight line. How it is, Ra? It is in a straight line. Is it yes or no? But from here, this point, it is started bending. Means in the sense of till here it is traveling in where? Ra? Vacuum. Where it is traveling?
Vacuum.
So if there is no atmosphere, it needs to go in this straight line. Is it yes, guys?
Yes, sir.
Or no? So only we can able to see the sun if there is no atmosphere. Once the sun will come here, then only we can able to see the sun in a straight line. Is it yes, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now, what will happen if there is no atmosphere? Sunlight will never reaches to our eye. Is it yes, guys? Always it will go in a straight line. So we are staying here, but light is going here. Is it possible to see the sunlight by that time? It is not at all possible to see the
No, sir.
No,
so
sir.
without atmosphere. Now, at this point, it is entering into the atmosphere. So you can observe here, it is rarer medium. Optically, what medium, Ra?
Rarer medium.
Medium. So that if you keep on going down, you can see bending of light is more. Is it yes or no? This is what the actual path, and this is what the new path. So bending of light is keep on increases because of when you are coming closer, it will become what? Denser medium, optically denser medium. So
Denser medium.
particular point, the sunlight will reach us to our eye. So from that point, always how we can see, Ra? Like last example, we can able to see in a straight line. What is that? We can able to see in a straight line. In the case of stars, same way, we can able to see in the straight line. So from that point, wherever we are able to see in a straight line, there we can able to see the image of the sun, which will feels like a real image. Real object. That is what the sun is appears to be above horizon. Is it okay, guys? Respond
Okay,
me. Yes or no?
Sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now, in the evening also, this is what in advanced sunrise, when the sun is below the horizon itself, we're able to see the sun above the horizon because of bending of light. What is that, guys? Bending of light. So this bending of light is only what we should call atmospheric refraction. What we should call?
Atmospheric refraction.
Atmospheric refraction. Nobody is responding. Atmospheric refraction. Now, evening time also, that's all. Sun will go below the horizon, but still we are able to see the sun. How many minutes more? 2 more minutes more. Understand? 2 more minutes more. Because again, same thing. Even though when the sun will goes below the horizon, still the light is reaching to our eyes. Do you understand, guys? Still
Yes, sir.
is reaching to our, so the sunlight is reaching to our eyes, so that we are able to see the sun. Still 2 more minutes more. So then later what will happen? You can see the sun will go to little bit more down. Then it will go not reaching to our eyes. It will go away from it. Is it yes or no, guys? It will go
Yes,
away
sir.
from it. Understand? That is the reason. After we cannot able to see the sun, because of that is the reason behind. Is it okay, guys?
Yes, sir.
What is called as what? Advanced sunrise and delay.
Delayed sunset.
You can observe here, without atmosphere, then the planet, the full earth is appears to be, what is the color? Anybody? If there is no atmosphere, then always what? Continuously throughout the year, what will happen, Pranav? Dina, anybody can respond. If there is no atmosphere, what is the reason? What will happen? Akshaya? Aravind? Yes, then there is no light at all. Continuously, the planet is in dark planet. Is it yes or no? Like night time. There is no sunlight. That is why it appears to be what? Everything is appears to be. Is it yes or no?
Dark.
If there is no atmosphere, no light will reach us to the earth, so that the planet will become what? Complete dark. What is that? Complete dark. Understand, guys? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now, because of the atmosphere, we are able to see the sun. How many times? How many minutes more? How many minutes more?
2 minutes.
4 minutes. Because Advanced sunrise is 2 minutes and delayed sunset is how many minutes?
2 minutes. Totally 4
So,
minutes.
2 minutes. Totally, we're able to see the 4 minutes of the earth. Understand? 4 minutes. 4 minutes. That is why you can see. Suppose if there is no atmosphere, then the light will not reaches to the earth. Understand? 2 minutes before and not reaches to the earth 2 minutes after the sunrise. So the day would have the daytime. The daytime is shortened by how many minutes? If there is no atmosphere, how many minutes is shortened? Because of atmosphere, 2 minutes more. 2 minutes early we are seeing the sun. 2 minutes late we are seeing the sun. So totally how many minutes it is avoided if there is no atmosphere? If there is no atmosphere, the day would have been shortened by how many minutes? The daytime. Daytime is shortened by how many minutes? 4 minutes. Is that 4 minutes it has been shortened. That is you should remember. Understand guys? Yes or no? Tell me
Yes, sir.
now. And you can see,
Yes, sir.
you can observe, like sun is appears to be disk at the sunrise and the sunset is also due to the atmospheric refraction only. You may observe the sun is appears to be very understanding bigger in size during sunrise and sunset. Is it yes or no? Have you watched it in movies and all? During sunrise and sunset, the sun is appears to be very big size compared to the normal position. Is it yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no, guys? And daytime, it is appears to be when is sun rising. What is the color of the sun? Anybody? Light orange color. Is it yes or no? And during
Orange.
sunset also it is appears to be orange color. But noontime, it will be appears to be white color. So that is the what is the phenomena behind it and how it is happening. That is all we'll study in the next classes. Understand? That is what we should call as scattering of light. So that is we will study in the next class. Now you observe this like a disk at sunrise and sunset is also because of atmospheric refraction. But why it is appears like bigger in size? What is the disk shape? A disk like a spherical in shape. Understand? During sunrise and sunset. Understand this of the sun disk looks like a disk shape. So that is all we will study in the +2. So now it is not required for your level. So that is why we are not discussing. But this diagram, advanced sunrise and delayed sunset diagram is most important. So here they will ask you the question: if there is no atmosphere, then the daytime is shortened by how many minutes? Then there will be a daytime is shortened by how many minutes? 4 minutes. Understand?
4 minutes, sir.
If there is no
4 minutes.
atmosphere at all, if there is no atmosphere at all in the planet, then what will happen? First thing,
Light will
right? The planet will become completely what?
Dark, completely dark.
How, sir? You can see that is the reason. A person, those who are seeing from the sky, means astronomers means from another planet. The person, those who are able to see the earth from the another planet. Suppose this is the earth and I am seeing from the Mars. Now, if I'll see from the Mars, the earth is appears to be which color? Black in color. What is that? Black in color. Understand? And also the sky is also appears to be what? Sky is also appears to be black only because
Black color.
Mars, no atmosphere is present. If no atmosphere, no refraction of light will take place. Understand, guys? So if no refraction, everything is appears to be what? Everything is appears black in color. That is what will happen. So because of atmosphere only, we are able to see the sun 2 minutes early and 2 minutes after sunrise. What we should call as, understand, dawn and dusk. What we should call, guys? Dawn
down
and dusk. Understand, Ra? Understand now. So for example, which I have told you, which is not there in our textbook, but I just want to explain you. Formation of mirage. What is that, guys? What is that? Formation of mirage. So this is also what is the phenomena behind formation of mirage. What is the phenomena?
Refraction.
Because of
Refraction.
understand refraction, but it is like a formation of rainbow. Total internal reflection. What will happen, Ra? At a certain situation, total internal reflection will take place. I will explain you now. Observe very carefully, guys. So what will happen means, because of at certain situation, total internal reflection will take place. So that is what it is causing for formation of a false image of water. A false image of water. That false image of water only we used to call it as water. What we should call? Mirage. What we should call? Mirage. Understand, Ra? Now, this mirage, I will explain you now. Listen, observe very carefully. I hope now you can able to see this picture. 1 minute. Yeah. Now, can I show the picture, please, guys? Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Now, observe very carefully. Formation of mirage. This is maybe you have not studied in the lower class, but you have to study. Now, you can observe here in this picture. The source of light is there. Where is the sun? Can you able to see here? The sun is here. Is it yes or no? The sun is here. Are you able to see the sun? All of you? Here the sun. Understand? Here the sun. Now the sunlight is coming and falling at where? At the top of the canopy of the plants. Understand, guys? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Respond me. So canopy of the plant. So now as we know that means the top of the plants, the sunlight will fall. So from that point, so the density will increase or decreases optically. Optically increases or decreases. All of you tell me,
Increase.
it will keep on, what will happen? It will keep on increases. So at the end
Increases.
point, you can consider the person who is traveling in the desert, you can observe. Understand? So they are considering 4 different layers of atmosphere. You can see 4 different layers of atmosphere. Now, here continuous refraction will take place. Bending of light, bending of light, bending of light, bending of light. Now, at a certain situation where the incident ray will reaches to the critical angle. What will happen, guys? Critical
Angle.
Now, as we know that once it will become critical angle, instead of refraction, what will happen? Instead of refraction, what will happen? It will be
Total
total
reflection.
internal reflection.
Total internal reflection.
Reflection. That is what
Total internal
at this point total internal reflection is taking place. So from that point I can able to see in a straight line. So wherever it is going, there I can see the false image of water. What is that? A false image of water. That is what called as mirage. What we should call, guys? Mirage. Understand, Ra? Respond me. Yes or no? That is what we should call it as mirage. Now you can see so many pictures you can observe how it is appears to be. Here in this picture you can see very clearly. So because of continuous refraction, are you understand, guys? Continuous refraction, and at a certain situation, see the light will come from somewhere and it will fall on the top of the forest plant, means the plant, top of the planet, plant. So now from that point different layers of atmosphere is there. So always the bending of light will take place more and more and more. Is it yes, guys? So actually this is the actual path of the light, but because of increasing density, the bending of light is increasing more and more and more. Have you able to see? Please respond me. Yes or no, guys? Now, at a certain situation where the incident light ray, the angle of incident light ray will become what? Reaches to the critical angle. So that by the time instead of refraction, total internal reflection.
Total internal reflection will take place.
That light will reach us to our eye. So we will able to see from that point, we can able to see the straight line and we can see the false image of this plant. Under this plant, we can able to see the false image of water. What is that? False image of water. That is what it is called as mirage. What we should call, guys? Mirage. Understand, Ra? Yes or no? Yes, that is what is happening because of what? Atmospheric refraction. Understand, Ra? Now you can see when I am traveling on the road. Have you able to see? We will see in a hot sunny day. It is appears to be water. Is it yes, guys? Respond me. Yeah, water is present in the road because of what is the reason? What is the reason? It is
Because of atmospheric refraction.
refraction only. So here you can observe critical angle. Here some picture they are showing correctly. So this is what critical angle, which I have already taught you. So where a particular angle, instead of refraction, what will happen, Ra? Total internal reflection will.
What internal reflection takes place?
Understand? That is also cool air, hot air, cool air, hot air. So why sir here total internal reflection is taking place? Now I will explain you. Deserts, observe very carefully. As we know that higher elevations, basically general cases, higher elevations, hot air, lower elevations, cold air. Is it yes, guys? Is it yes, guys? Respond me. Nobody will respond. But if we'll come to the desert, the air which is present very closer to the sand, much more hotter. Is it yes, guys?
Yes, sir.
Because of more heat energy. But if you'll go little bit high, compared to this air is little bit cooler. That is why here density, understand, higher denser, and the closer to the desert, you can see closer to the desert, the air is very, very hotter. Why, guys? Anybody can? Because of desert, more amount of understanding sunlight is trapped by the sand, so that the light, understand, the atmosphere which is just above the sand is very, very hotter than the sand, the atmosphere which is present away from it. Is it okay, guys? Respond, Mira.
Sir.
The reason behind this is what you can see in this picture. While you are traveling, we are able to see the like water is floating on the road. Here also, what is the phenomena? Atmospheric refraction.
Atmospheric refraction.
Mirage, the formation of false image of water is only called as what? False image of water is called as what? Atmospheric refraction. Understand? So because of atmospheric refraction, that false image is only called as formation of mirage. Understand? Mirage means it is a shadow. Very good, Nitina. But it will be used like a water is present below the plants. Understand? Like that false image will give, that false image is only called as water. That is only called as mirage. Is it okay, guys? Yes or no? So this is all about the today's class, the formation of mirage. So with this, atmospheric refraction is over. Now atmospheric refraction is over means then what is the last concept in this chapter? Anybody? So atmospheric refraction is over. Then what is the last concept? The last concept is?
The last concept, sir.
No. One more concept is there. That is what? Scattering of light. Understand? So this is the atmospheric
of light.
So once the atmospheric refraction is over, then the last concept is called as scattering of light. What is that? Scattering of light.
Scattering of light.
Yeah, scattering of light. 2 days, within 2 days, and tomorrow and after tomorrow, by Sunday, we will finish the scattering of light. Then we will go to the biology next term to syllabus biology. What is the biology next chapter?
Sir, heredity and
How do organisms produce?
I think how the organism reproduces. Yeah, we'll start that. That is a very big chapter and very.
one lesson only, sir.
Now term one lesson, but we will start the term 2. Anyhow, we have to study, correct? We don't have time later, man. Only till December exam, January, February, again only within 2 months. How we will finish that much portion? We cannot finish, correct? So we have to go keep on finish as much as possible. If we will finish later, we will go with the revision. Understand, Ra?
Yes, sir.
Is what? Okay. So carry on. So all the best. Prepare well. Bye, guys.